Welcome to the Shri Shri Vidyapeeth School, Sagartal, Gwalior. Let's start our class. Chapter 5, Save Our Earth. Today we are discussing about what is pollution, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. Pollution is the change caused by harmful substance such as smoke from factories and houses, garbage, sewage and chemical waste. Pollution spoils the quality of air, water and soil. Things made from natural materials rot and break down easily. The earth absorbs these natural waste in the soil, but today the problem of pollution has increased. Pollution is of three types: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. प्रदूषण हानिकारक पदार्थों जैसे घरों और कारखानों और घरों के धुएं, कचरा, सेवेज और रासायनिक कचरे के कारण होता है। प्रदूषण वायु, जल और मिट्टी के गुणवत्ता को खराब करता है। प्राकृतिक पदार्थों से बनी चीज़ें सड़ जाती हैं और आसानी से टूट जाती हैं। पृथ्वी इन प्राकृतिक कचरे को मिट्टी में अवशोषित करती है, लेकिन आज प्रदूषण की समस्या बढ़ गई है। प्रदूषण 3 प्रकार का होता है: एयर पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन और लैंड पोल्यूशन। Air pollution. Gases, dust, particles and smoke spoil the air that we breathe in. It causes harm to humans, plants and animals. Air pollution is caused by human activities as well as by natural events. Forest fire, volcanoes and dust storms are some natural events that cause air pollution. Air pollution caused by smoke and chemicals from factories and vehicles, burning of plastic and rubber objects, burning of wood, coal and petroleum. गैसों के धूल के कण और धुआं हवा को स्पॉइल करते हैं, जिसमें हम सांस लेते हैं, जिससे मानव, पौधों और जानवरों को नुकसान होता है। वायु प्रदूषण मानवीय गतिविधियों के साथ साथ प्रकृति की घटनाओं के कारण भी होता है। जंगल की आग, ज्वालामुखी और धूल के तूफान कुछ प्राकृतिक घटनाएं हैं जिनसे वायु प्रदूषण का कारण बनते हैं। वाटर पोल्यूशन. Poisonous chemical and harmful substance such as fertilizer, pesticides and oil from factories and industries mix with water and cause water pollution. Water pollution is also caused due to dumping of chemical waste and garbage, leaking from waste tank, sewage and waste water flow in water bodies. कारखानों और उद्योगों के निकलने वाले उर्वरक, कीटनाशक और तेल जैसे जहरीले रासायनिक और हानिकारक पदार्थ पानी के साथ मिलकर जल प्रदूषण का कारण बनते हैं। Land pollution. Land pollution is caused when harmful waste and garbage from house and factories is dumped into the soil. Cutting down of trees for making houses and building increases land pollution. Land pollution is also caused due to pesticides, fertilizers and insecticides from farms, cutting of trees, dumping of paints, chemicals and प्लास्टिक्स ऑन द सोइल. जब घर और कारखानों से निकलने वाला हानिकारक कचरा मिट्टी में डंप होने पर भूमि प्रदूषण होता है. पेड़ों के कटने और मकान और इमारतों के बनाने से भूमि प्रदूषण होता है. Fill in the blanks, unscramble the following words, answer the following questions. Define pollution. Mention few causes of air pollution and land pollution. Suggest 5 ways to reduce water pollution. Pollution is the change caused in the quality of air, water and soil by harmful substances such as smoke from factories and houses, garbage, sewage and chemical waste. Second, forest fire, volcanoes and dust storms are some natural events that cause air pollution. Air pollution is also caused by smoke and chemicals from factories and vehicles, burning of plastic and rubber objects and burning of wood, coal and petroleum. Land pollution is caused when harmful waste and garbage from land pollution is caused Garbage from house and factories is dumped on the soil. Cutting down of trees from houses and factories is dumped on soil. Cutting down the tree for making house and buildings increases land pollution. Land pollution is also caused by using plastic, fertilizers and insecticides in farms. Cutting of trees and dumping of paints, chemicals and plastic on the lands. 5 ways to reduce water pollution are: do not dump chemical waste and garbage in water, plug all kind of leakage in waste tank, sewage and waste water should not be allowed to flow into the water bodies, do not throw plastic packet and bottles in water, do not wash clothes with detergent in water bodies. Your homework is write and learn questions and answer in your notebook. If you have any queries, so you can ask me. Thank you for watching.